Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your Etsy password. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically now you will be needing to simply access the Etsy website. So in your web browser, you will need just to go to etsy.com. Now you will be needing to go to the settings of your account. To do so, you will be needing to click on your profile icon from here, your account, and basically we will be needing to search for account settings. So here in the account settings, we will need to go after that to security. And let's just log in first. And now we will be needing to go to security. By going to security, you will be able to start changing your password. So here you will find the two-factor authentication. You can turn it on so you can start like using uh, authenticators or whatever. And basically here you will find like a way to change your password. In my case, I'm not connected with my email, so basically I don't have like an option to change my password. Otherwise, I'm able to start like because I'm connected with my Google account, so basically I will not be able to change the password since I need to connect with my Google account. Otherwise, you will find like your password here in this option and you will have the ability to change it. And also, if you go to the emails here, you'll find your emails and you can find the, like your settings, etc. So simply you will need just to check your password here in the security, and then you will need just to change it. So you will after that receive an email on your mailbox, and then you will need just to click on the link so you can reset the password. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.